let's add one more component here, a ceiling fan, which you can download right here. So download, open, and then load to the project. So I've loaded that here. So I'm going to go to architecture component. There's the ceiling fan I've loaded. Notice that since this is also a family that is hosted by a ceiling, it only will be placed or can be placed when there's a ceiling. Now here, we did place a ceiling here. It's just that we're not able to see that ceiling. So let's cancel out. And while we're in the ceiling view, let's select underlay. And let's go to the ground floor. Okay. And let's say unbounded. There's our ceiling right there. So looking up, again, since this is our ceiling plan, we're actually looking up to the ceiling. This is a reflected ceiling plan. Now we can go to architecture component and place our ceiling. So let's say I'll place one here and another one there. Okay. Go to your 3D view. So you might want to rename this. Let's say perspective view room 1. Okay, enter. Double click, and there's our ceiling right there. And as I said, if you click on the box, you can extend that to see more of your room. Okay. Oops. Let's go back to our ground floor. Ground floor ceiling view. And let's add some lights here. Architecture, component, say light. Okay, let's add some light. 1, 2, let's say one here, one here, and one there. So you can always align that. Let's go back to our perspective view. Okay, so you can see our lights.